Okay, I have my little precious plastic style extruder. There's plastic goes in here. There's a worm screw that gets driven. A big auger. And you know, it poops plastic out over here. But it goes really slow. And normally to make it go faster, you have your 3-phase motor on a VFD. And right now it's at 10 hertz. But you would just turn this up and it'll go faster. You hear that sound? It's like, vroom, 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 I'm going faster. But it's actually going much slower now. You can see it's barely turning. The faster I go, the slower till it just stalls out. I'm actually turning it back down now. So I was at like 50 hertz, and now I'm gonna turn it back to like 10 hertz, and then it picks up and starts carrying on. But the thing is, I can't go faster or more powerful than that, and that seems like there's something wrong there. I don't get what's happening. I'm gonna do it again just so you can kind of hear. So I'm gonna go right at 10, seems to be the sweet spot for some reason. And so you can see it rotating over there. And it's going, you know, pretty slow. But now I'm gonna crank it up. It sounds like, you know, an airplane taking off or something. But you can see the motor is completely stopped now. And when I turn it back down, is when it actually starts moving. I don't understand why it's doing this. I seem to have everything wired up correctly. All 3 of the phases seem to be balanced. They're all going in there. I don't even totally know. You can see down there's the little worm screw. I don't totally know if it's a physical problem. Is there something holding it back? But the way that the motor starts making that, like, I'm trying to rev up, but I just don't get any more power kind of sound, makes me think it's some kind of electrical problem. But yeah, it kind of sucks because we got this big fancy extruder, and basically we can just do drip molds that aren't the most awesome. And look how freaking slow that goes. And plus, I've noticed I have to have my temperatures set way high. It seemed, and my guess is because it's super weak. The motor's just being super weak for some reason. And so it melts all the plastic that looks like all colorful and fun like this into just this gray goo, I think because it's kind of burning it. So yeah, don't totally get what's happening here. If anyone has any thoughts, please let me know.